and fellow hobbyists, welcome to another Saturday morning. I'm your host Gary G, and this week we start a brand new build. She's beauty and she got some style, and her name, the Blue Diva. But first, as always,
the riddle?
The riddle! In today's episode, we show some footage from our new build. We needed to modify the rear axle, and we gave her some new shoes, rims. Here's some footage from the Justice build. In the 18th century, a Scottish gentleman walked in the Office of Patents with an idea of a tire filled up with pressured air. But in which year exactly did that happen? See the answer in the riddle! Well, it seems our little Saturday morning show comes to an end. We hope you enjoyed the time with us, and sure, we hope next week you tune in again. But now, as always, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks.
See you next Saturday, folks. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
So if the rim, no, if the tires are shoes,
Right.
Then wouldn't the rims be like socks or stockings? Well, stockings because it's a lady.
It's a
She's
lady.
a diva.
Yeah, that's very philosophical. Yeah, I guess you're right. If the tires are the shoes, then the rims would be the stockings.
But what kind of shoes are they?
I just know that they were golden.